Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful today, Jake. The sun is shining, and I feel great. And you, Jake?
I am good, thank you. I had a nice morning. I made eggs and toast for breakfast.
Oh, that sounds nice. Did you make coffee, too?
Of course. I always make coffee first. I cannot start my day without it.
Me too. So, anything interesting happened today?
Actually, yes. I have a funny story. This morning, I saw my neighbor in the elevator. I said hello, she said hello, and then nothing. We just stood there in silence. I did not know what to say next.
Oh, Jake, that happens to so many people.
It was so awkward. Awkward means uncomfortable. I wanted to talk, but my brain was completely empty. Just hello and then silence until the door opened.
Well, that is actually our topic today.
Really? What to say after hello?
Yes, today we are going to learn about small talk. S-M-A-L-L-T-A-L-K. Small talk. It is a short, easy, friendly conversation. The kind of conversation you have with neighbors, coworkers, or people at the bus stop.
Small talk, so not big, deep topics, just light, friendly words.
Exactly. And small talk is very important in English. It helps you connect with people. It makes awkward moments disappear, and it is great practice for your English.
I really need this. Let's learn.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Before we begin, let me explain something. Small talk is a casual conversation. Casual means relaxed and easy. It is not about deep or serious topics. It's about easy, everyday things. The weather, your weekend, a nice compliment, simple things.
So small talk is like a bridge?
That is a great way to say it. Small talk is a bridge between hello and a real conversation. And here's the good news. Small talk uses very simple English. You do not need big words. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need a few useful phrases.
A few phrases. That sounds easy.
It is easy. Today we will learn phrases for 4 common small talk situations. 4 situations that you can use every day.
4 situations. I'm ready.
Situation 1. Someone asks you, "How are you?" What do you usually say, Jake?
I always say, I'm fine, thank you. Every single time. The same answer.
And that is okay. "I'm fine" is correct, but it's a little short. The conversation stops right there. The other person says, "How are you?" You say, "I'm fine," and then silence, just like your elevator this morning.
That is exactly what happens.
So today, I will teach you a better way. Instead of just "I'm fine," you add a little something. One more sentence. That small extra sentence keeps the conversation going.
Give me an example.
"I'm good, thanks. It's a beautiful day today." Now the other person can talk about the weather too. Or, "I'm great. I tried a new cafe this morning." Now they might ask, "Oh, what did you do?"
So the secret is answer plus a little extra.
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. "I'm doing well, thanks. A little tired, but good." Or, "I'm great. I tried a new cafe this morning." Or, "Pretty good. I'm looking forward to the weekend."
And then I ask back?
Yes, that is the other secret. Answer and then ask back. "How about you?" Or, "And you?" This is like a tennis ball. You throw it back to the other person.
Like a tennis game. I catch the ball and throw it back.
Perfect. Let's practice. "How are you, Jake?"
I am doing really well, thank you. I had a great coffee this morning. How about you, Judy?
"I am wonderful. I went for a walk in the park before coming here. The flowers look so beautiful right now."
Oh, that sounds nice. I should walk in the park too.
See? That was not just "I'm fine." We had a real conversation.
Can we try again? I want more practice.
Of course. How are you doing, Jake?
Pretty good, thanks. A little busy this week, but I'm enjoying it. How about you?
I am doing great. I started reading a new book and I really like it.
Oh, what kind of book?
A story about a man who travels the world. Very interesting.
That sounds fun. I want to read more books too.
See? We started with how are you, and now we are talking about books. That is the power of adding a little extra. One small sentence opens the door to a real conversation.
And it feels so natural. I like this a lot.
Situation 2. Talking about the weather. This is the most classic small talk topic in English.
The weather? People really talk about the weather?
All the time, especially in English. It is safe, it is easy, everyone can say something about it, and it works with anyone, your neighbor, your coworker, a stranger at the bus stop.
Okay, how do I start?
You can say, nice day today, very simple. Or, it's so sunny today, I love it. Or, the weather is really nice this week.
And what does the other person say?
They might say, yes, I love it. Or, I know, it's perfect. And then you can add more. I hope it stays like this for the weekend. Or, do you like sunny weather?
Let me try. Wow, it's really cold today.
I know, I need a warmer jacket.
Me too. I didn't bring my coat today.
See? 3 sentences about the cold, and now we are having a real conversation.
About the weather, the simplest topic in the world, but it works.
It works every single time. And here's one more tip. After the weather, you can move to another topic. It's such a nice day. Any plans for today? See? The weather is the bridge to a bigger conversation.
The bridge again. Weather is always a good start.
And if it rains, even better. Can you believe this rain? I forgot my umbrella. I hope the rain stops soon. Everyone has something to say about rain.
Rain is a great small talk topic. Everyone loves to complain about rain.
Or love rain. Some people love rain.
Not me. I do not like getting wet.
Situation 3. Talking about weekend plans. This is very, very common, especially at work and school. On Friday, people love to ask, any plans for the weekend?
I hear this question all the time, but I never know what to say.
Any answer is a good answer. You can say, not much. I think I'll just relax at home. Or, yes, I'm going to meet some friends for dinner. Or, I'm not sure yet. Maybe a movie.
Even not much is okay?
Even not much is okay. Most people do not have exciting weekend plans, and that's normal. Relaxing at home is a perfectly good answer.
What about Monday?
On Monday, the question changes. People ask, how was your weekend? Or, did you have a nice weekend?
Did you have a nice weekend? That uses did. We learned that in our last episode.
Exactly. And you can answer, it was great. I went to the park. Or, it was quiet. I stayed home and cooked. Or, it was fun. I saw a movie with my brother.
Let me practice the full thing. Imagine it's Friday afternoon. You ask me.
Any plans for the weekend, Jake?
Yes, actually. I'm going to try a new Italian restaurant with my friend.
Oh, that sounds fun. What kind of food do they have?
Pasta, pizza, all the good things. I love Italian food.
Me too. I hope you enjoy it. Now, imagine it's Monday morning. I ask you about your weekend.
Okay, ready.
Good morning, Jake. How was your weekend?
It was wonderful. I went to the Italian restaurant. The pasta was amazing, and my friend and I talked for 2 hours.
That sounds like a perfect weekend. 2 hours of food and conversation.
The best kind of weekend.
See how natural that felt? Friday, you talk about your plans. Monday, you talk about what you did. It's the same topic, just before and after.
I can do this. This is not hard at all.
Situation 4, the last one, giving a simple compliment. A compliment means you say something nice about another person.
Like, I like your shoes?
Exactly. Compliments are wonderful for starting small talk. They make people feel good, and then the conversation starts naturally.
What are some easy compliments?
I like your jacket. Nice bag. That's a great color on you. Your coffee smells so good. Very simple, very friendly.
And what does the other person say?
Usually, oh, thank you. And then they might add something. Thanks, I got it on sale. Or, thank you, it's my favorite jacket. And now you have a conversation.
Let me try. Judy, I like your earphones. They look very cool.
Oh, thank you, Jake. I just got them last week.
Really? Are they good for listening to podcasts?
Yes, the sound is very clear. I use them every morning.
I need new earphones too. Where did you get them?
At the electronics store near the station. They were on sale.
See? One compliment, and now we talked for 5 sentences.
Exactly. One small compliment opens a big conversation.
I want to try one more. Nice shirt, Judy. I like the blue.
Thank you. Blue is my favorite color.
Mine too. We have the same taste.
And just like that, we are connecting. That is the magic of small talk. Okay, now let's put it all together. We will act out a full small talk conversation. Imagine we are coworkers. We meet at the coffee machine on a Monday morning. Ready?
Ready. I'm Jake, the coworker.
Good morning, Jake. How are you?
Good morning, Judy. I'm great, thanks. I had a really relaxing weekend. How about you?
I'm doing well. A little tired, but good. I went hiking on Saturday.
Oh, that sounds amazing. The weather was so nice this weekend.
I know, it was perfect for hiking. Sunny and warm. Did you do anything fun?
Yes, I went to a birthday party on Saturday night. My friend Leo turned 30.
Happy birthday to Leo. Did you have a good time?
Yes, we did. We had a big dinner together and we ate outside because the weather was so beautiful.
That sounds lovely. Oh, by the way, I like your new coffee mug. It looks really cool.
Thank you. It was a gift from the party.
A mug as a party gift. That is actually a great idea. I might do that next time.
Right? Okay, I need to go to my desk. Nice talking to you, Judy.
Nice talking to you too. Have a great Monday.
You too. See you at lunch.
See you.
Wait, did we just do small talk?
We did. That whole conversation used everything we learned today. How are you? With an extra sentence, weekend plans, the weather, a compliment, and we ended naturally with nice talking to you.
And it felt so easy, not scary at all.
Because small talk is not about being perfect. It's about being friendly. You smile, you ask simple questions, you share a little about yourself. That is all you need.
And always throw the ball back. Answer, then ask back.
Always throw the ball back. That is the golden rule of small talk.
One more question, Judy. How do I end small talk? Sometimes I don't know how to stop.
Great question. You can say, well, it was nice talking to you. Or, I should get going. See you later. Or, okay, I'll let you go. Have a great day. All of these are polite and friendly.
Nice talking to you. I like that one. Simple and warm.
And the other person will say, you too. See you. And then you smile and go. Easy ending.
Now I know how to start, how to keep going, and how to end. The full package.
The full small talk package. And everyone listening, you can practice this anywhere. With your neighbor, with a coworker, with someone at the coffee shop. Just try one sentence. That is enough to start. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we learned about small talk. Short, friendly conversations for daily life.
Yes, we learned 4 situations. First, how to answer, how are you, with more than just, I'm fine. Add a little extra and ask back.
Good. Second, talking about the weather, the most classic small talk topic in English.
Third, weekend plans. Any plans on Friday? How was your weekend on Monday?
And fourth, giving simple compliments. I like your jacket. Nice shirt. One compliment opens a whole conversation.
And the golden rule. Answer, then ask back. Like a tennis game.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you usually talk about when you meet a friend or a neighbor? The weather, the weekend, something else?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.